This is so tempting. How do I reheat this though? Oven? I want to get it right. I'll do it in the microwave, but I better make sure that cooks all the way through. It is 4 minutes past 7. I've got videos to edit, a bathroom to paint, shopping to do. Oi, oi, oi. I am just asking for trouble, but I spent money on this and I don't like wasting food. I don't usually have any left because I usually eat the whole thing. Whoa. It is good though. 8 o'clock, I'm going back to bed for a while. I wouldn't say I was hungover, I'm just really tired and I had a rough couple of weeks. I still think I'm in my 20s, don't I? 20 past 10 in the morning, I need to go shopping. While I'm there, I might as well pick up some bathroom paint for the ceiling. Then I have to come home, edit a video, cook something to eat, and then start work on the bathroom. The only thing I've done, I've been fart-arsing around all morning. The only thing I've done is sand that wall down, which is what, like 5 minutes work? Oh dear, I really have to stop slacking on this house. So Dunelm does sell paint, but not in the store, you have to buy it online. Yikes, I have to find the black paint. So, which means I'm gonna have to go to another place. Maybe the range has it, I don't know. But I'm gonna go to B&M and get some of those cans of Dead Man's Fingers for Download Festival. Can you believe that? Can you believe that all that dust is just off that section there? It's so nice today. I've been asked to go somewhere, I've been asked what I'm doing, and I have to stay here and actually do something to this bathroom, because I'm getting nothing done. Right, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I finished the vlog, so at least I can actually start getting stuff done. I'm gonna finish that radiator off first. I'm just full of clever ideas at the moment, aren't I? I just painted this outside, the radiator, right? And all these fucking things, I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to be doing this right now. Don't have anything to stir with properly. Could do with a whisk or something. Needs more dog. I think I'm going to put the whole thing in. I don't know what I'm doing. This is so runny. Fucking hate doing this. Fucking hell, man. Can't even try to rush it, look, it's... Oh, fuck. It's getting everywhere. Jesus Christ. Paintbrush hairs everywhere! I had bangers and mash for dinner. I had to stop painting for a while. I had a bit of an accident. There is paint all over the tiles. But it's diluted emulsion, should come off easy. I think I'm gonna have to shower at my mum's later, and then hopefully I can put the bathroom paint on tomorrow. I need to get the ceiling paint now also, so actually I should go try and get some ceiling paint, or I'll do the ceiling white and just forget about the black, because I couldn't find any today. I went into 3 different shops. None of them had black. I was told Dunelm don't even have paint unless you order it online, and they don't even deliver it to Bangor. The closest they deliver to is Chester. I tried that earlier. Amazon, it's very vague when you look at the bathroom paint section. There's no specific bathroom paint. It's just paint for all kinds of things. I don't know, it's confusing. Maybe I'll just get that one. Either way, I'm going to try and finish this up. This ceiling in particular is taking forever. And this vlog is boring. There'll be no movie night tonight. I haven't missed a Sunday in God knows how long. So as you can see, I had a bit of an accident with the brush. I dropped it and got paint everywhere. Looks like a bird has shat all over my floor, but no, it's just me being stupid. I'm gonna clean it up now. Rest of the bathroom is done. Took forever, especially around the shower area because I didn't want it dripping everywhere. I've also had to cover these lights. So I won't be showering in here for a couple of days because tomorrow I'm hoping to get my ceiling paint, and I can do the ceiling first. And then the rest of the week I'll slowly do the walls. I'm going to need some covers though, because I don't think bathroom paint will come off as easy as this. So I can't afford to have this happen again. Tune into Chid's Vids to see what else I can fuck up. Right, it is now going on 9 o'clock in the evening. By Friday, I want all of this area cleared. All this. I want that bathroom painted, both the ceiling and the walls. My car should be repaired. Got a lot going on this week. Right, I know that in about 20 minutes I'm probably going to start falling asleep and not finish this film, but I refuse to cancel movie night. So I'm going to watch 1990s Pump Up the Volume.
You ever get the feeling